Hi, in this video I'd like to show you how to tighten the parking brake of your Ford C-Max. So I have a Ford C-Max Energy 2013 and these are the steps I followed to tighten the handbrake. First, make sure that the brake is in the lower position so that the screw, the bolt that you're going to have to tighten is actually accessible from the hole. Remove this plastic here, so you just pull it up, yes. And then you have to remove this cover, this whole the cover of this thing. Just pull it out again. You pull this cover, you pull the whole electrical part there. The goal is to access the nut that is used to tighten the parking brake, which is in this hole here. Here's how the cover looks like. And then this is the electrical multimedia. I think, I'm not sure what that is. It has two plugs in the back. One of them is a USB. The nut used to tighten the parking brake cable is a 13. You need an extension. And with this my hand, I was able to get my hand underneath to hold it and find the right spot. Just screw it normally. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Please let me know in the comments below if this has been helpful to you and if you have any questions as well. Thank you.